29-year-old Franklin Ziegler, from Cape May, New Jersey, is facing charges after reportedly decapitating a seagull on the Boardwalk in Wildwood earlier this month. A report from 6 ABC Action News said police were called to Maurice Piers at 2501 Boardwalk Avenue on July 6 for a report of animal cruelty. First responding police officers at the scene said Ziegler admitted to decapitating the seagull, reportedly because it had stole fries from his daughter. He reportedly asked the staff at Maurice Piers for a trash bag while holding the dead seagull. Ziegler allegedly became irate and uncooperative with officers on an unrelated incident. He was arrested for disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. After talking to witnesses and obtaining crime scene photos, police charged Ziegler with cruelty to animals on July 18. He was released on a summons pending a future court date.